A thank you, a pat on the back. You did what you did, no questions asked. I can never say enough. Through the downs and the ups, you carried the weight so we'd have a good life. Raised us with love so we could fly. Anyone else would call you Superman, but I just call you Dad. I just call you Dad. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This is how to play Dad by Tyler Wood. I had not heard this song. It's an awesome song. Thanks for the request. If you guys have other songs you want to request and learn, please let me know in the comments. I'm a little bit backed up right now. I've got definitely a few in the pipeline, but I'm going to do my best to get to them, okay? So if you have other ones, whether they're country or punk or rock or whatever, just let me know and I'll add it to the list, okay? And also, please hit the like button because it makes my day when you do. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments, okay? So let's get into it. You're going to do standard tuning, but you're going to do a capo on the first fret. Let me know, do you guys want me to include a link to the capo that I use in the description? Just let me know, because I will if you want. If not, if you don't care, I just won't do it. But yeah, standard tuning capo on the first fret. This song's super easy. You're only going to use 4 chords, but you do use a couple different chord progressions. So I'm going to show you those. So the 4 chords you're going to use. All right. So I'm just going to show you how you're going to start it. All right. So I would play the intro is just going to be like the first verse. So you're going to play C. All right. C, and then you're going to do F. All right. You're supposed to bar it. If it's a little bit hard to bar it, just play it like a power chord. Okay. So F. And then you're supposed to play D minor. Okay. So if you don't know D minor, that's middle finger on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo. On the G string, and then you're going to put your, I don't know if you can see that right there, you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo on the B string, and then your pointer finger goes right there. Okay, your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret. This is all in relation to the capo. Whenever you have a capo, it's all in relation. You're on the 1st fret on the little E string, okay? So just like that. Okay, that's D minor. And you're also going to play G, a very easy G, and it doesn't matter which one you play, but it's easy to go from D or D minor to G like that. If you play this G, it's just easier because your ring finger is already there, okay? So, but you can do whatever one you want for the entire song. You may notice I actually do it a little bit differently. I might switch it. So you're just going to do, I would just play it down, just down, 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 down. So you're just going to play that through once, and you're just doing the down just for the verse, intro and verse. You're going to do C, F, okay, and D minor. And for a D minor especially, I think it makes more sense to strum the bottom strings because that's where your fingers are. So you're going to do those ones more. G, okay? So C, F, D minor, G. So you're going to do that once, and then you're going to go into the first verse. Now, especially when you're doing it for the verses, you're going to want to play it a little bit softer, okay? You can palm mute it if you want. All right, that sounds great as well, but you don't have to. He's not. Or I don't know if he's playing it or whoever the band, the guitar player is not palm muting it, but you can. So I would just play it a little bit softer. Okay, so you're just going to do an early riser, always on timer, backbreaker, giver not a taker. Okay, so I'm going to show you where these chords go for the first verse and for the chorus, and then I'm going to show you for the bridge. Okay, so because the chord progressions are different in the verse and the chorus and the bridge. So for the verse, you're going to do an early is C, early riser, always on timer, back is F, backbreaker, not a giver, not a taker, made sure, all right, you're going to do D minor, made sure nothing was missing, so we could have everything is G, okay, everything that didn't, a patient, okay, so patient is C. Patient teacher, strong, steady leader, firm, okay, is where you do F, so that's easy to remember. Firm and shaker, never met a stranger, tough, okay, tough is D minor, tough as steel, heart of gold, it took a while is G, while, but now I know, all the little, okay, so then you kind of do like the pre-chorus here, but you're going to go to F, all the little life lessons but you never expected. Okay, so you're gonna go from that C, F, D minor, G. Okay, so you're just kind of repeating that for the verse, and at the end of it, after that last G, you're gonna go to F. Okay, all the little life lessons, but you never, and then I would just do like a single strum and let it ring out. But you never expected. All right, I don't know if that's the right melody for it right there, but so you do what you never expected. Okay, you're just gonna let it ring out, and then you're gonna do a thank you. Okay, so now you can, I'm gonna show you two different strumming patterns here. You can just do that same thing and just do it louder. So if you're new to guitar and you have a hard time with strumming patterns, you can just do a thank you, a pat on the back, because you just can't do it down. A thank you, a pat on the back, you did what you did, no questions asked. So you can do that. There's a lot of different chord progressions, or a lot of different ways to play the same thing. I think it sounds a lot better if when you get to the chorus, and if you know how to do this, it's a little bit more impressive to people when you play. But if you do it, a thank you, a pat on the back, you did what you did, no questions asked, I could never say enough. Okay, see, I'm not just doing down, down, down. I'm doing down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so for the chorus, I think it sounds a lot better if you do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. I notice I switch from that C to G to this G. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, so you're just doing that. I just want to show you in a slower way so you can really get it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And you just start over, okay? So, and I'm going to show you where the chords go for each, for the lyrics and the playing for the chorus, okay? So you're going to do a thank you. So thank you is C. Thank you. A pat on the back, you did. You did is G. You did what you did, no questions asked. I could never, okay, never is F. Never say enough. Through the downs and the ups, you carried, okay, carried is C. So that's easy to remember. You carried the weight so we'd have a good life. Raised us. And notice I'm doing C to this G here. Raised us with love. So us with is G. Us with love so we could fly. Anyone else would call. So anyone is F. And then call is D minor. Call you Superman. So you do Superman, you're going to let it ring, okay? Superman is G. Superman, but I just call you Dad. And then here, I think you should just down strum. All right? And you're going to do C. You're just going to repeat what you did. All right, you're going to do C, G, F, C. Okay, and then go spirit lifter, problem fixer, words of reason, there when you need them. Okay, so then you'll go back into that. So it's super easy to play. All right, so you'll just you just start over and do C, G, F, C when you're transitioning to from the chorus to the next verse. All right. So then the only other part that you need to know is the bridge. Now the bridge is I just call you when I'm lost. Is C. Okay, you're only gonna play two chords here. Just call you when I'm lost, when I'm empty, when I need a little help, whenever is F, whenever I get good news, you're the first one I wanna tell. Okay, so you're just doing C and F. C on I just call you when I'm lost, and F on whenever I get good news, okay? And then I would just do let it ring, all right, or either way, and then do, so I want to thank you, give you a pat on the back for doing what you did, no questions asked, okay? Just like that. So it's a super easy song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's a lot of fun, and it's a sweet song. Like, it makes me really appreciate my dad because he was there for me, so I really do appreciate him. And I appreciate you guys requesting songs and stuff. So I know I've got some more in the pipeline I'll get to soon, so if you requested one and I haven't gotten to it yet, Don't worry, I'll get to it soon. But thanks for watching. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye.